Today's thought of the day is, don't compare your life to others. There is no comparison between the sun and the moon. Both shine when it is their time. I repeat, don't compare your life to others. There is no comparison between the sun and the moon. Both shine when it is their time. It means many people are unhappy in life because they are comparing themselves to others. As we cannot compare the sun with the moon. Both are different and both have a different purpose. Similarly, you are a different being, and don't waste your life by comparing yourself to others. You also start your day freshly with a good thought for the day. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe